Welcome back to Short Stories for English Learners. Today's story is called The Lost Painting. It's about an art collector, a hidden masterpiece, and the journey to uncover its secret. Listening to stories like this can help you improve your listening skills and learn new words in a fun way. Stick around until the end for today's key vocabulary. Let's begin. Long ago, in the bustling city of Verona, there lived a wealthy art collector named Mr. Lorenzo. His mansion was filled with paintings, sculptures, and antiques, but one thing was missing: a masterpiece by the famous artist Bellini. Bellini's paintings were rare, and one of them, called the Hidden Rose, was said to be lost forever. One day, as Mr. Lorenzo was walking through the city market, he saw an old man selling dusty, forgotten items. Among them was a small canvas covered in dirt. Something about it caught Mr. Lorenzo's eye. "How much for this painting?" he asked. The old man shrugged. "5 coins. It's just an old picture." Mr. Lorenzo paid for the painting and took it home. He cleaned it carefully, layer by layer. As the dirt came off, he began to see something extraordinary: a beautiful rose in the center of the canvas. Could this be the hidden rose? He wondered. Excited but unsure, he decided to visit an art expert named Sophia. Sophia studied the painting under a bright light. She examined the brushstrokes, the colors, and the signature hidden in the corner. "Mr. Lorenzo," she said, "this is indeed the hidden rose. You've found a priceless masterpiece." News of the discovery spread quickly. Art lovers from all over came to see the painting. Mr. Lorenzo became famous, not just for his collection, but for his story of patience and curiosity. But the painting held one more surprise. One day, as Mr. Lorenzo was admiring it, he noticed a faint outline beneath the rose. He called Sophia again, and together they examined the painting closely. Using a special light, they discovered another layer beneath the rose: a portrait of Bellini himself, hidden as a secret signature. The discovery made the painting even more valuable. But to Mr. Lorenzo, its true value wasn't in its price. It was the lesson it taught him. Sometimes treasures are hidden in the most unexpected places, waiting for someone to uncover them. Let's review some key words from today's story. Collector: someone who gathers valuable things. Mr. Lorenzo was a collector of art. Masterpiece: a work of art of great skill. The Hidden Rose was a masterpiece by Bellini. Canvas: the fabric used for painting. The old man sold a dusty canvas at the market. Priceless: extremely valuable. The painting was priceless. Curiosity: a desire to learn or know. Mr. Lorenzo's curiosity led him to the painting. Great job. Try using these words in your daily conversations. Thank you for listening to today's story, The Lost Painting. If you enjoyed this story, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with others learning English. Remember, treasures are often hidden where we least expect them. Keep exploring, and we'll see you in the next story.